Shout out to my brother and his fiance for getting me this bag. It's literally so cute. I'm packed and ready to go. Got my Eeyore bag. Let's go. California! Say hi to the vlog.
Oh no.
Got them donuts though. Let's go. Day one, let's go! Woo. Shout out to Cynthia. They're cute. Okay. It's so foggy. What the heck? Do you think the whole park is gonna look like this?
Nope.
We made it!
Season's greetings, everyone. Good morning and welcome to the merriest place on earth. For your safety and those around you, we ask that you walk slowly and carefully to your first destination. From all of us at Disneyland, happy holidays.
We made it to Star Wars! Woo!
Prep the ready room for recruits.
Everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. Recruits crossing to
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way.
We're just standing.
Under our command, everyone will disembark and proceed to the right for interrogation. Let's go.
First order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes in the
out.
Oh my god!
A few moments later.
We're going down! Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't like it!
Okay, you're clear.
Oh god!
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
Information pending from Key Command personnel.
I'm shaking!
I need eyes on back.
Okay, the Star Wars ride was freaking awesome. I was not expecting there to be a big drop. I screamed so loud in the clip of us riding it, but it was so worth the wait. They're over there. We're gonna eat some food and then we're gonna go to the Millennium Falcon ride. So, super excited. Last time I was at Disney, I didn't get to see the Star Wars side. I got sick 2 years ago. So I'm really excited that I got to see the Star Wars. It literally looks so cool in here. I'm pumped. We got the bag. And we're leaving Star Wars. Goodbye, Star Wars. Woo!
Dig up, lads. There's treasure enough for all. I shall take this paltry sum as a stipend to cover my expenses.
Jack said he liked your beanie.
Charlie, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel.
Zodiac that rule the future and transcend.
I really outdid myself this time. Look at all that.
This is gonna be good. Watch the wheels.
Alright, we're about to go on Splash Mountain, getting the ponchos out. Alright, we're going up to Splash Mountain. Are you ready? I got it. Got it. Oh God. Is it just one?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This isn't it, is it? Oh shit! Okay, wait, hold on. I need to resituate. Is this it?
No.
No, I wasn't. My eyes are. Oh, bro. When you have to get the content, So, I'm soaked. You can see the water difference there. My hair is soaked. Thank you, Splash Mountain, for that. Got some new clothes after Space Mountain. Now we're with Buzz. Let's go! New merch!
Blast in with everything you've got. Friends for the temple of the forbidden path. Even your transportation devices are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly travelers to timeless.
first night's done. We're leaving. We hit, what did we hit off camera? Space Mountain, Indiana Jones, and then we got his lightsaber. Woo! Oh, and oh yes, and we saw fireworks. I'll put that in there. It'll be in there. But yep, night one. So pretty. See you guys tomorrow.